Let me tell you something most people never hear. You're not ugly. You're just untrained. The truth about attractiveness. You've built habits that dim your light, little daily choices that strip away your sharpness, your energy, your presence. And the worst part? You think that's just how you are. It's not genetics. It's not luck. It's the result of quiet habits that make your face look tired, your posture look small, and your energy forgettable. But once you fix them, once you start training yourself to live differently, people won't be able to explain why you look magnetic. They'll just feel it. Let's break down the 7 habits that steal your presence and how to get it back. Habit hash 1. You're losing the battle while you sleep. The first one's brutal. You treat sleep like an option. You scroll till 2 a.m., wake up exhausted, and wonder why your skin looks dull and your mind feels heavy. Sleep isn't laziness, it's reconstruction. When you rest, your body repairs, your hormones rebalance, your face resets. Skip it, and your glow fades like an old battery. Make sleep sacred. 7 to 9 hours, no exceptions. No caffeine after sunset. No blue light before bed. Protect your rest like you'd protect your ambition. Because if you're running on fumes, no skincare or self-help video can save you. Habit hash 2. You've forgotten how to stand like a man? Most people don't realize posture is language. Before you ever speak, your body tells the world who you are. Slouching isn't just bad for your back. It broadcasts insecurity. It says, I don't take up space here. Fix it. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your chin. Walk like the world belongs to you. But you don't need to prove it. Good posture doesn't just make you look confident. It builds confidence. It changes the way your mind talks to your body. So start standing like someone who's awake. Habit hash 3. You're letting stress live on your face. You think stress is invisible, but it's not. It's written across your skin, in the tightness of your jaw, the lines on your forehead, the lifeless tone in your eyes. When your body's in constant fight mode, it steals from everything else. Your glow, your patience, your presence. Learn to exhale. Take walks without your phone. Lift weights. Sit in silence. Peace isn't weakness, it's control. And when you master it, you start to radiate calm. Habit hash 4. You've let your skin become an afterthought. Your skin is your first impression, your interface with the world. And if you neglect it, you're silently saying, I don't care about me. This isn't vanity. It's respect. Cleanse. Moisturize. Use sunscreen. That's it. Simple discipline, repeated daily, becomes visible confidence. Drink water like it's your job. Your body can't glow if it's running on fumes. Habit hash 5. You're speaking to yourself like an enemy. Most people kill their confidence with their own voice. They call themselves ugly, stupid, lazy, and their body listens. You become the words you repeat. If you keep talking down to yourself, your mind will start believing it, and your energy will follow. Here's the shift. Replace I'm not enough with I'm learning. Replace I'm broken with I'm rebuilding. Confidence isn't a look, it's a sound, and it starts with the voice inside your own head. Habit hash 6. You're feeding yourself like you don't care. Every cell in your body is built from the food you eat. So if you fuel yourself with sugar, fried food, and caffeine, don't be surprised when your body runs like a junk engine. You can't look alive if your diet is dead. Eat whole foods. More protein, more greens, more water. It's not about perfection. It's about respect. Feed yourself like you want to perform. Habit hash 7. You've let screens steal your energy. This one's quiet, but it's lethal. Every time you reach for your phone, you lose a little presence. Hours on screens twist your posture, drain your eyes, and numb your emotions. You stop living your life. You start consuming it. Here's the fix. 1 hour before bed, no screens. When you wake up, no scrolling. Reclaim the silence. Protect your attention like it's gold, because it is. The turn. How to rebuild your glow. You're not stuck with the face you have now. You're looking at the result of years of habits, and habits can be rebuilt. In just a week of sleeping better, you'll notice the mirror shift. In a month of eating right, your eyes look clearer. In 3 months of peace and posture, people will feel something different when you walk in. Attractiveness isn't about beauty. It's about aliveness. It's the energy of someone who's fully here, fully awake, fully present. So ask yourself, are you still going to live on autopilot, letting these 7 habits quietly drain the life out of you? Or are you done being invisible? You don't need filters, surgeries, or fake confidence. You just need to start treating yourself like someone worth taking care of. Because when you do, when you rest deeply, walk tall, breathe freely, eat clean, and speak kindly, your face changes, your energy changes, your life changes. You stop chasing attention and start commanding it. Now it's your turn. Which one of these 7 habits has been holding you back? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. If you're serious about rebuilding your presence from the inside out, subscribe. Because this isn't about looking good. It's about becoming someone worth looking at.